Oh my goodness, this might be my favorite gift of the year. This is Laura Geller's RSVP Ready Full Face Palette. Watch to the end to see the before and after with all of this applied. So pretty, this little slide out case. Look at all the great stuff that comes in here. So cool. What a great gift idea. A card that tells you how to put on each of these amazing products here along with the mirror in a beautiful set. What a great stocking stuffer or gift. You have here the classic bronzers, the cream bronzer and the cream highlighter. 3 light concealer, medium concealer, and deep chocolate. So pretty. Setting powder, this beautiful color of blush that I would pick. I would have picked this color. It's so pretty. And powder bronzer. And look at these beautiful eyeshadows that come in this set. So pretty. You've got your neutrals and a few metallic choices in here for those special nights. Some dark colors that could be used as eyeliners themselves, and the beautiful mirror that comes in it. We're going to put this all on and show you the results. This is the after with the Laura Geller RSVP Ready Makeup Applied. Look how fun this is. I use all of these things. The only thing I have on besides this is a little mascara and a lip gloss, since this does not come with those things. But I'm going to tell you what I did. First, I started with the concealers. Put the light concealer under my eyes and the medium concealer over my entire eyebrow. Then I used the concealer on a couple of dark spots to conceal that. They have a light, a medium, and a brown, and you can mix them to get the perfect shade for you. Then I used the setting powder, applied it all over my face, and I used the blush. This is a beautiful blush. I love it. It is just perfect. I can see it going with any complexion. Then I used these highlighters to do the nose and above the cheekbones and the Cupid's bow to put the little highlighter on the areas that you want to bring some illumination. And then for my eyes, I had so much fun with this because I used it in a lot of different ways. I used a little bit of this darkest brown on my eyebrows to not have such a stark black eyebrow powder on there. And it worked perfectly with my eyelids because I used this medium brown here over the brow bone on both eyes. And I used this kind of a sparkly metallic, pretty beige with a little texture to it on the eyelids. And I used the lightest creamy neutral just under my eyebrows. Then I blended it all together and I took a bit of this darkest metallic and made some eyeliner with it. I love the look. I can see this being such a great gift. Look at all that you get in this complete, beautiful set. Folds up nicely and it even slips into its own little holder. The plastic pieces that come over the top go back in place to keep it safe from spreading and keep your colors in place. I love this Laura Geller RSVP Ready kit for the holidays and year round.